Hi, my name is Barbara Krumlovich. I have helped millions of women transform their curly, wavy, or coily hair. And you may recognize me from TikTok or maybe because I do lots of curl coaching. But recently I've taken on a new venture called Curls Monthly. Because I've been such a product junkie, I've started Curls Monthly because I wanted a way for curlies to test out curl products before they commit to buying the full bottle. I was really sick of seeing so much waste in the curl world and just people not really understanding how to use products. I remember going into CVS with my mom when I was like 7, trying to find products to tame my curls, and I couldn't find anything because I had no idea what they mean. So I am really on a mission to educate you through products, whether you're a Curls Monthly subscriber or not. This channel is going to really help you understand the ins and outs of how hair products work so you can decide what's best for you and what's not best for you. Because let's face it, there are no hero products and one size does not fit all for curls, waves, or any type of hair. Today we are discussing the Main Method Repair Hair Mask. This is a pre-poo treatment. Basically, a pre-poo treatment is a type of treatment that you will do to your hair before you shampoo, so pre-poo. The difference between pre-poo treatments and regular treatments are just usually that pre-poo treatments are meant to be shampooed out of your hair, and regular treatments that you would do in place of your conditioner in the shower are just okay to be rinsed out. So usually pre-poo treatments tend to be a little bit more oil-based, more heavier, or just things that aren't really great to be left in your hair unshampooed for a long time, but are really great and powerful while they're in there. I've personally been using the Repair Hair Mask for, I don't know, a year. In the winter, because my hair gets really, really hard and straw-like after I shampoo because it's so dry in the air, I always pre-poo, like basically every single wash day. Now that it's the summer, I will pre-poo like maybe once or twice a month. It's not as necessary and important to me. But the more you do it, the merrier. You can't really overdo this. I think it says on the website you can do it once a week or a few times a month. So the more you do any type of treatment, the better it is and the more effective it is going to be for your hair. So let's go over some of the stats of this mask. The Main Method Repair Hair Mask is meant to prevent your hair from further damage. It's meant to retain hair growth. It's an all-natural formula and it retails for $49. I think probably the biggest kickback I get when I've talked about this product on TikTok before is that it's $49 for 3.4 fluid ounces. But that is because the products are ethically sourced. I actually have built and created a relationship with the owner and manufacturer of this product. And I've gotten to really understand firsthand how much work goes into sourcing these products. They're ethically, or these ingredients inside the product. They're ethically sourced. And actually there's only 4 ingredients inside the product, which is another reason why I love it so much. So yes, it is a more luscious, more luxurious mask, but in my opinion, based on the quality of ingredients and the results I've seen, it is worth it. And if you have a Curls Monthly mailer, this is going to be in the August 2022. I literally was about to say 2020, August 2020. How is it 2022? I don't know. This is going to be in the August 2022 mailer, so you will have a chance to try a smaller version out on your own to see if you really like the feeling of this, to see if it's worth the $49 for you. So like I said, there are only 4 ingredients in this mask, which for the right person, this is like their dream come true. I know my sister, she's really clean. She does like clean beauty only. So she was like freaking out about this ingredient list, which is exciting. So the first ingredient, which I love when the hero ingredient is the first ingredient, is botana oil. So when I say the hero ingredient, that's like on a product bottle when it says like, you know, it'll say like featuring botana oil, but yeah, botana, yeah, I said that right, but featuring botana oil. And then you look at the ingredient list and botana oil is at like the very bottom, which means that there's not very much in it. So I love when a hero ingredient is right there first on the list. So botana oil. Botana oil is meant, it's a very, very, very rare and unique. I've actually never seen it in another product. And this is why this mask is so beneficial and a higher price point is literally because of this oil. I believe she sources it directly from Honduras. So very random and very, like I said, ethically sourced. So it does slow down hair loss. It helps new growth and it controls water loss in hair strands, which is really important if you're somebody who has drier hair or dryer prone hair like myself. The second ingredient is castor oil, which is a little bit more common in products, and castor oil is known to prevent hair breakage. So this mask isn't going to undo damage, but it is going to prevent damage. So if you're someone who colors their hair, straightens their hair a lot, maybe curls their hair, diffuses on high temperatures, this is going to be great for you. And again, anybody who washes their hair and their hair feel like straw afterwards, that's also great for you. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use this mask. It is the same for every hair type, no matter if your hair is wavy, curly, coily, pin straight, doesn't matter. Really, maybe the only thing that will change for you is depending on your hair density. You might want to split it up into more layers or less layers, which you'll know what I mean as I go in. So in order to apply this mask, I am just going to section off my hair. When I section off my hair, I always just draw a line with my fingers, so my fingers can really designate where I want my part to be sectioned, because otherwise you'll be getting hair from up here down here and it becomes a mess. So you don't want to do that. So, and then I am just going to take an alligator clip and tie up the top half of that. So I'm going to do this in 3 sections, but like I said, you can do it in more or less depending on your density. 3 usually works perfectly for me. This is what it looks like on the inside. I've used it a million times, so there's not too much left in there, but it's a gritty texture. It is meant to be a gritty texture. It actually feels really nice and soothing on your scalp, which actually about that, if you have oily prone hair, I would actually not recommend putting it directly on your scalp. I would put it on your mids and your ends only. But I do not have oily prone hair. It would be opposite. So I do massage some on my scalp and then I will bring that down to my ends. You do want to do this specifically on dry hair. You don't really ever want to put any type of oil directly on wet hair. So this is on dry hair, and as you can see, I am just massaging that into my scalp. And when I'm done with that section, I will just pin it back with an alligator clip. Now sectioning off section 2, again, just taking some of the mask, rubbing it between my hands. Ooh, got some on the table. Rubbing it between my hands and putting it on my scalp, and then gliding it down to my ends. Taking down the top layer and repeat. Now, a word from the wise, you may need a shampoo twice when you use this mask, because again, it is literally just directly putting oil on your hair. So depending on how your hair is and feels, don't be, weirded out if you do have to shampoo twice, especially to get some of those flecks out. All right, now I am going to keep this on my hair for 30 minutes at the least. You can leave it on up to 8 hours. So kind of, it's like, I call it a lifestyle mask. You can really leave it on for a long time, but I'm gonna leave it on for about 30 minutes and shower and shampoo and style my hair as normal. Thank you so much for learning about the Main Method Repair Hair Mask with me. I am thrilled that you are here. If you have not done so already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment letting me know if you've tried this mask already. And if you have not, definitely sign up for Curls Monthly, where I will deliver 5 to 8 of my favorite curl products right to your doorstep every single month. Bye!